Hello, everyone. My name is Jeff. I'll be a spokesman or the spokesman for the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and attempt to help you one video at a time. I want to thank everyone for tuning into this video over this great weekend. It's raining where I'm at, but I'm grateful to be alive and winning in the rain, so to speak. Moving on to today's topic, we're going to go over what we consider right now another great app library like Unlinked that is absolutely free. Again, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and just share it with as many people as possible. Now, if you didn't know, one of the best libraries that a lot of streamers use is called Unlinked. It's a library where you have different applications, photos, and things that you use on a regular basis. For whatever reason, it has been down. Now, I've been using this type of library, or specifically this library, for a while. Okay, sometimes it goes up, stays up, and sometimes it goes down. But I don't know the developer, but they seem to get back on it right away. And what happens when something like this goes down? The great thing about the YouTube platform is there's so much information that is available now when it comes to streaming for everyone to take advantage of. So it's not just one or two people or groups that have the exclusive information. It's a wealth of us, a lot of diversity, a lot of people that love the streaming genre and love to always have the cutting news. Now, I just waited a few days, been kind of busy, but I waited a few days just to see what would pop up. And of course, everything pops up from how to use Downloader and a list of all the Downloader codes. And hey, get the codes that Unlinked, get the codes because Unlinked is down. And those things are good. Downloader will still work. You will need some different. As you open up Downloader, you will need some different codes, or they fix some things here. You will need some different codes to get access to certain things, or maybe you save things as a favorite. Like I have Troy Point's Toolbox. I consistently have Troy Point's Toolbox because his toolbox really is more about media players and different things like that go along with your streaming device, but also he doesn't have a lot of other things. You can find that on his website. So getting Downloader is a good thing. But there's a person that's been around for about 10 years. I follow him periodically, but I subscribe to his channel. It's New Tech. New Tech has a great website. He seems like a very smart person, and I'm going to show you, if you haven't seen it, he's probably one of the only ones that I've seen so far that really give a great free option for those who want to get back to getting some different applications for your device absolutely free. I went on a couple of people's sites, and one of them I landed on, and they're a very big YouTuber and whatnot, but I have to download a token for 30 days and possibly pay for a plan. And that's great. I mean, if you have a platform that generates that and you're trustworthy, I don't know what the token's about. I didn't go any further, and maybe I should investigate it, but I just want to see who's going to make it easy for people to get what they're looking for, especially when there's a transition in streaming. So what you want to do is you want to go to Downloader, and then you can go back up here. Let me go over here to Home, and then you can go up to the top, and you can go ahead and go. I think that's, I spelled it wrong. It's .store. Oops. right there. I'm going to get rid of the keyboard, go down to load, and see if that's correct. And there it is right there. So this is link drop. You can go all the way down to the bottom here, and you can download the app for mobile or app for TV. And that's super easy to do. You just do that. And just like installing any other application to your device, you're going to install it. You're going to hit done. And that way you can get rid of the file that you don't need anymore. Now it should be already on your device. And let me go over. I'm in my favorites. Let me go to apps to make sure it's in my device. And let me see. It should be all the way towards the end maybe. Am I right? There it is right there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open it. You're going to authorize it. And you should be able to access some great different things from that library that you will like if you like different streaming. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to possibly not get a strike, but I want to make sure I stay safe on the community guidelines of YouTube. But I also went in there and found some great things. Now, the best thing about this right here, he doesn't charge you a dime. He's not charging you anything. It is absolutely amazing what you've done, and I applaud you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you keep it the way it is, thank you for bringing this to our attention. And I'm going to link his YouTube channel so you guys can go subscribe to him. He's been around for maybe 10 to 13 years. I've been following him for about 10 years, and he's one of a really good leading voice in streaming. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Wishing you guys a great Sunday. If this helps you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. And I believe that Unlinked will be back. I've seen it be down for maybe a week to 2 weeks, and then boop, it pops back. But in the meantime, check out Link Drop, and I think you'll like it a lot. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. And